Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS. Previously I made a video on harvesting my elderberries from my garden and also making fresh elderberry syrup. And now I'm going to show you how to take that elderberry syrup and make elderberry gummies. It's actually quite simple. All you need to do, you have to purchase it online, or if you find one in the store, maybe a hobby store, gummy bear mold. I'll zoom in right here. With the recipe I'm doing, I'm going to do a little bit less amount. I don't want to make too many gummy bears right now, but I would double this recipe, but I'm going to list the recipe I'm doing currently. But remember, if you want a good amount of production of gummy bears, double this recipe. So this is a half cup of elderberry syrup, separated in 2 different cups. I'm going to show you why later. 1 ounce of unflavored gelatin and a 1/4 cup of hot but not boiling water. And if you want, you can add coconut oil to the gummy bear mold to ensure that they pop out easily when they set. But I won't be doing that today. So the first step you want to do is to add your 1 ounce of unflavored gelatin powder into a 1/4 cup of elderberry syrup. And then you want to whisk it. Now it's going to get pretty thick. That's what happened last time I did this as well. I started getting worried, but then it all worked out at the end. Then add your 1/4 cup of hot but not boiling water into the mix and continue stirring until smooth. Then once it's smooth, just like this, add the rest of the 1/4 cup of elderberry juice and keep stirring or whisking. Now you can see why I put it in 2 different measuring cups. And then add the gelatin to the mold, 1 cell at a time. Try to keep it level as you can. As you can see how the half recipe I have done, how much gummy bears it's created. That's why I don't do as much, because the first time I did this, I did the full recipe, which I said just to double the current recipe, and I had leftover. So I just cut it in half. So once you fill up all of your gummy bear molds, just put them in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. Last time I did this, it was about 2 hours and it was completely set.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.